What's up, members? Welcome back to the channel. So let's review the YouTube portfolio. It's at 102,000 right now, which is awesome. Looking at year to date on the right side, we are pretty competitive with the S&P 500, 1% versus 1.5%. And overall, it's been a little bit of a bumpy ride. I mean, looking at my top and bottom movers, we have Baba, Starbucks, Nike, FSPGX, Home Depot, and Google. Let's break down the actual positions now. So this portfolio is growing. I still want to add to Baba. As you can see, I only have a 1.5% allocation of Baba. I'm trying to increase this to about 2%. So we could probably add like $500 more or so as we continue adding to FSPGX every single Monday. Combining both FSPGX, these absorb into each other every single month. So we have about 53 to 54,000 invested into this growth fund, which is basically high tech growth. Then you have Google, which is a big position at 12%. I'm waiting for this to start popping. We're pretty much a little bit up right now, 2.5%, but I want to see Google around $200 per share, so I'm going to continue buying at these levels. Home Depot, $5,000 cost basis in them. We're pretty much break even on them. We're earning the dividend, so that's what matters. Microsoft, we have $3,700 invested. Nike, $4,000. And Nike's our biggest loser right now, and Starbucks. But I'm going to continue to believe in them, continue to dollar cost average down, and the lower the price is, I'm going to continue buying Nike and Starbucks. Tesla, we're going to sit on our position right now. We're at $220 cost basis. I want to just sit on the shares. If it comes back down, I will buy shares. But right now at $343 per share, which it is showing, I want to sit and wait. One stock that I've been contemplating adding to the YouTube portfolio is United Health Group, UNH, with all of this negativity in the market. And by the time you see this video, if you weren't a member, it'll probably be at least 2 months from now. But if you want live updates, just join the YouTube membership. It costs $2 a month and you get access to the portfolio. But it's pulled back since 250, 58%, and now trading around 320. It's around a 46 to 47% pullback. So it's definitely a very interesting play that I've been watching. It's a level that I just want to see, is it going to hold the $300 level first? I don't mind buying a little bit higher as long as good news and good sentiment is starting to free up on this. Members, I can't thank you enough. Thank you so much for supporting the channel and getting access to this video. If you're new to this and you're seeing this for the first time, you can click on 6 more links and you can click on become a member. So for $2 a month, you can get access to YouTube portfolio that buys and sells in real time when I update them on the weekends. You can also be members first videos you get access to as well, and membership only posts and loyalty badges and priority reply to comments. And you will see here that you have access to the YouTube portfolio and the Gemini crypto portfolio. So thank you so much for supporting the channel. I'll see you next time.